we just have a couple of minutes, but I do want to see if I can get each of your perspectives on this, an attendee wanting to know. And again, if you do have a perspective, if not, another speaker could maybe tackle it. But they're just wanting to know maybe one nugget of advice to provide proactive steps to prevent future frauds, especially during the post-pandemic period. Maybe just if one of you wants to summarize that, or if each of you have a thought in these few minutes we have remaining. John, do you want to start?
Yeah, happy to do that. I mean, I think one consideration is having an effective compliance program is critically important for organizations to mitigate the risk of fraud, to have a strong corporate culture. It helps avoid any reputational harm and regulatory fines, penalties, and litigation. And compliance programs are going to continue to be a focus by regulators. Regulators seem to be aligned that companies need to actively review their compliance programs to ensure they're adequate, and if not, really put some serious investment into improving compliance and culture. And now is the time to do that.
Excellent. Thoughts from Chris or Rebecca?
So John this is Rebecca, John kind of stole my answer, because unfortunately, without kind of knowing the company, it's hard to give a real answer, but I would emphasize that obviously this is important. And I will say, from when I was at the commission and then now on the private side and working with clients facing commission inquiries, one really key factor is, are you evolving your compliance program? So part of the question of, in this kind of post-COVID world, is really critical. I mean, no company can ensure perfection, but kind of a key factor in looking at some of those qualitative factors is, but are they trying? Did they have a consultant come in 12 years ago, put together a program, it's in a binder, and that's the program, and it's just static? Or is it something that evolves as you encounter issues, even small ones along the way? Are you looking at your procedures and evaluating them? Or as there's headlines from other cases in the news, are you looking at those and thinking, could that happen here? And if so, how could we prevent that? And so it is that kind of thoughtful evolution of procedures that, one, I think actually will then do much better in preventing fraud, but will also, help the company should, something happen anyway.